Compound interest. With compound interest, you will earn money not only on what you have saved, but also on the interest you receive on that money. The equation to calculate the amount F is F equals P, open parenthesis 1 plus R over M, close parenthesis with the power of T multiplied by M. Where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest per annum or per year, T is the time in years, and M is the number of times interest is computed per year. Illustration. Take the $280,000 you put in your bank. If you do not touch it for a year and the interest is computed or compounded daily, your account will be worth $282,107.87 pesos compared with $282,100 if you only earned in a simple interest. The interest on most regular savings account is compounded daily. Let us have another example. Jasmine deposits $520 into a savings account that has a 3.5 interest rate compounded monthly. What will be the balance of Jasmine's savings account after 2 years? To find the balance after 2 years, F, we need to use the formula F equals P, 1 plus R over M. The TM is supposed to be an exponent, so it's a typo error. The principal P in this situation is the amount Jasmine used to start her account, $520. The rate R, as stated in the problem, is 3.5% or 0.35 as a decimal, and compounded monthly, so M equals 12. Since we are looking for the balance of the account after 2 years, 2 is the time T. Hence, the balance of Jasmine's account after 2 years is $557.65. Let us have another example. Lex has $1,780.80 in his savings account that he opened 6 years ago. His account has an annual interest of 6.8% compounded annually. How much money did Lex use to open his savings account? To find the principal P, we can use the same formula F equals P, 1 plus R over M, exponent MT. We have the balance of the account F after 6 years, which is $1,780.80. The interest rate R is 6.8% or 0.68 as a decimal, and is compounded annually, so N equals 1. The time T is 6, since we know he opened his account 6 years ago. Plug in the known values into the formula and solve for the missing variable P. Hence, the principal amount Lex used to open his account 6 years ago is $1,200. Try solving this problem. You have 10 minutes, 5 points. We'll continue the discussion online at schedule instructed by your teacher.